Good morning, guys. I was supposed to send off my packages yesterday and I didn't. I was supposed to go to the grocery store and I didn't. And this morning I still don't want to do it. It is so cold out there. This morning it was 3 degrees. It's slightly snowing. So I'm going to recruit my friend here and we're gonna go finish our work and go grocery shopping. Whoop whoop! I, for one, am not complaining about the weather. I think this is so winter wonderland. I just love it. All right, grocery shopping, and what did we do? Mail drop off. Grocery shopping and mail drop off done for the week. Grocery shopping for the week. And I have all my ingredients laid out because I want to show you, actually, you know, I was gonna say I want to show you how I make my beauty bites, but okay, I've never made them. I've made protein balls before and I wanted like a healthy snack to put in the fridge, and I looked these up and they have really great ingredients that are supposedly really good for your hair, skin, and nails, that kind of thing. So we're gonna try them together. Pretty cut and dry. I'm going to double the recipe because, well, my kids will eat 20 in like 2 seconds. Basically, you just put everything inside the blender. So we're gonna start with 5 dates. That's what the recipe calls for. I doubled it. A ½ cup dried apricots. Are these dried? Mm-hmm. Okay. I mean, they're not like dry.
They're
not. A ½ cup of raw pumpkin seeds. And let me tell you, these were not super easy to find at the grocery store. So I'm not sure if those are the exact ones, but they're pumpkin seeds. Moving on, a ½ cup of raw cashews, ½ cup of coconut flakes. Woo! I'm spilling! Lady! You gonna get that? You gonna get that? She's like, you never feed me. I don't feed you scraps. That's what I don't feed you. All right. Okay, and then a 4th cup of flax seeds. This is a lot. Why did I double it when I haven't even ever tried these? Ooh. And last but certainly not least, a 4th cup of peanut butter. Oh yes. Alrighty, you get in there, you do your job, and you make me beautiful, okay? Okay, do you want a scrap? I'll let you have a little scrap. Oh, sit. Good girl. Down. Down. Good. Down. Down. Roll over it. Oh my gosh, you can have the peanut butter. You shouldn't be doing that. Okay, that's good. Okay, this is actually beautiful in here. I'm crossing my fingers that it tastes good. I promise I will tell you. All right, here we go. Hold on, please. I mean, oh, that's what I hate about doing stuff in the blender is when it's like too dry, but you don't want to add a whole bunch of liquid. All right, we're gonna make it work. Hold on, everyone. We should have put the peanut butter down in first. Hold, please. I mean, I can see that it's going to come together. I really can, hopefully. It didn't call for any liquid. You know when you see things online and you think it's gonna turn out the way theirs did? All right. What? Oh my God! I don't know what to do because I opened it and I tasted it and it is so good. Like, it is so good. So what can I add? But honestly, this was kind of the consistency she had. So maybe you leave it this consistency and then you just kind of make some, yeah, it's like the perfect consistency to make an Oreo ball. To make like a ball out of. It's just not all the way chopped up in there. I wonder what I'm missing. You guys tell me, what am I doing wrong? But this is delicious, and I mean, it's blended up enough. You can see it's pretty well mixed. I think this is good. We're gonna move forward. Moving on. I really want to know what I can do to get it all to blend up a little bit better. Because, I mean, it is a little chunky. Like there's chunks of stuff in here, but it tastes so good. So I'm determined to like make it work. I'm just mashing these up into balls. And once you kind of maneuver them in your hands, they form together really well. They formed into balls really well, and they're holding their shape well. They taste fantastic. I'm like picking things out of my teeth as we speak. However, I want to try something. I want to take a little bit of the mixture and I'm going to add some coconut oil. A little. Yeah, I'm just going to blend that. It's not going to need, it doesn't need more fluid, and maybe this is my naiveness. Maybe I should be using a food processor and not a blender, but the girl I watched used a blender. This is fine, and maybe I just didn't realize how chunky it was. It's not a great word to use, but it's the truth. Yeah, you don't need it. Honestly, the recipe is fine the way it is. Maybe I should have just chopped up the nuts first and then added the rest of it to it. Maybe that's what I should have done. Honestly, I think this is fantastic. It has a little bit nicer of a texture. Coconut oil doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt to add a drizzle of coconut oil, that's for sure. I'm just gonna put these into a Ziploc bag, and then I'm just gonna keep them in the fridge for an after school snack for the kids. For me, definitely for me. Doesn't that look so good? Don't those look nice? Okay, you definitely want to double the batch. If I didn't, there would only be just a few of these things. I would definitely double the batch. Yeah, I'm eating this one. How are they so good? I don't even know. They're just really good.
I want a big one.
Okay,
Tastes like an Oreo ball.
It does not taste like an Oreo ball.
They taste like raisin, peanut butters. It's like Oreo balls.
It does not taste like Oreo balls.
Oh, good.
Okay, clearly the kids are home. You can hear them like all laughing and yelling downstairs. That is going to be the vlog for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you want to see other food recipe videos that I've done, I will link the playlist in the description for you guys. If you are not subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And we'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye guys. I look bald.
No, you never go. I love your slick back hair.
Okay.
Can't say on camera.
I, for one, sorry. Okay. Good morning. Now do we have a video for, okay, now you come film. I don't want to like add milk.
I just found a better angle.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Is that okay?
Really cute.
Okay, what am I supposed to add?
I like your necklace.